Hello, my loves. It's Catw Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of all of my May spreads, including my journal. I'm going to start with my journal and we'll go from there. But also my catch-all, my meal planner, my wellness planner, and my social media. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me find May. Okay. So here we go. May looks like this. Those, of course, Mother's Day. I started watching Bridgerton season 3. I went to a wedding and Toa turned 1. So here we go. Some review. Let's see. Yeah, so I put the little Westie, Toa turns 1. The rest of the planner I kind of kept green, as you will see. Different greens, but greens. So this is such a fun little scribble that I found on Easter case that I purchased. And yes, I made a little Dutch door here. And these have holographic in them. This is from Crafty Planner Queen. It was her $2 Tuesday. That was so fun. And then this is just a random page that I found and created that. And then we go into June. So that was my journal. Super simple. I love journaling in this thing, you guys. Okay. Let's go into my catch-all. Okay, so that was my currently page. This was made with JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. Let's see. I read How to End the Love Story. You guys, I know there was so much hype about this book. I was not into it as much as I wish I was. So, not sure. We finished, well, in June we finished watching Breaking Bad. So that was great. Listening to Crime Junkie. For cooking, we're mostly grilling. Just going to home and work. Dreaming of vacation. For Toa, I have barking every day. Every morning, and he wore a watermelon cone, so I wrote that here. Working on gardening for home, and we went to Urban Barbecue for a date. That was not so great. This is from Planet Darby, the grass, and then the Westies are just something I found on Etsy. I absolutely love this spread. So yeah, Toa turns 1. This is from LTL Print House. Very, very simple. Black and white butterflies. They have such elegant stickers. I love creating this. This is also the LTL Print House. This is their lemon, like spring. Oh no, this is summer spread. This is from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I love this chair and like all the stuff that she created here. I just love it. So I had fun creating this. This is one of my favorite spreads of this year, mostly because of how full it is. So these stickers are from Easter Case from a fashion girl. And I added some Westies for Toa's first birthday. And then I added some quotes from, I'll show you. There's these books that look like this, also on Easter Case. So I just added a whole bunch of little words here from that, and it's very, very full. This one is Wildly Chic from Live Love Posh and Wild Style from the Happy Planner. I also love how full this is. I also doodled all of these like black elements here in between all of those things to make it very, very full, and I love it. Okay, and this is the June currently. And that was a lot of fun to create it too. That was from Easter Case. So this planner is my catch-all. It is the Moody Florals 18-month planner. So I am loving this. Next up is Cooking 101. So let's go into June. Okay. So yeah, black stuff meals, so lots of grilling. That worked out. I didn't fill this out. This is from Planything. This is also rainbow flower boxes from Planything. These are my meal ideas and some shopping lists. This is from Easter Castatic Class, actually. One in Spring. This is one of her newer books. I love how this came out. And this is Planet Darby. I created this like canal and a river, and I really love how that came out. This is Playful Pups from the Happy Planner. I thought that was so fun. I love dogs in my planner. And then this is Facing the Sun from Crafty Planner Queen. So nothing special, just regular meals. This is from LTO Print Shop. I love their elegant stickers. And then this is the June currently. So that was my meal planner. Let's go to wellness next. Okay. Yep, so let's go ahead and do this. This is from Castatic Plans, one in Spring. This is from Spring Allure, Live Love Posh. As you can see, I did not use this monthly. This is Planet Darby. I did a little picnic here. This is from Spring Allure, Live Love Posh. And as you can see, I track a couple things. I track my meds, mood, sleep, and steps, as well as my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Most days I don't snack, so there's that. This is from Spring Allure, from Live Love Posh. This is Planet Darby, something called Tortured Planners, and I love how this came out with the gold. And this is the June currently. Okay, last but not least, I have for you my social media. This social media ends in June. Yeah, end of June. So I have to find a new planner. So we'll talk about it very, very soon. But for right now, my top 4 videos. This was made with Planything, the botanical one. This is the Playful Pups from the Happy Planner. I think this came out so fun with all the dogs. This is the Garden Flowers from the Mega Happy Planner book. These inserts are the quad line from Live Love Posh. This is the Painted Blossoms from the Happy Planner. As you can see, I'm trying to use Happy Planner stickers. It is so hard for me somehow. This is the Seasonal Florals, also from the Happy Planner. This is the Seasonal Florals, also from the Happy Planner. I thought that was going to be a lot of fun, but like I prefer this one to this one way more, so I don't know. This is the Fantasy Floral Language from Easter Case. And that's it. And that's all I have for you guys. This is the July currently. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I am loving I am just loving this planner. So you let me know what you guys think. Actually, I have this from 2023. I might just use this. Oh, that would be cool. I would have to redate it, but no big deal, right? Okay, I'm gonna think about it. I didn't realize I have 6 months of this that's not done, but let me know what you think. Which spread was your favorite? I'm stuck between my catch-alls, this one and this one. You let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.